This is a helicopter. And this is a multicopter. How do they differ from each other? Essentially, in almost every way. A helicopter is usually piloted. The source of the power supply is an internal combustion engine. It has two rotors, classical, coaxial, transverse, or intermeshing. Multicopters are normally unmanned, equipped with electric motors and use lithium polymer or lithium-ion batteries. They have 3 or more rotors, hence the prefix multi. The most common ones have 4, 6, or 8 rotors, depending on the mass of the payload. But even if you take a small model helicopter of the same size as a multicopter, there will be one fundamental difference, which has, in fact, made drones accessible to everyone. The main rotor is controlled by a mechanism called a swash plate. Here it is in a big aircraft. And in a small model, the swash plate changes the blade angle, which allows the helicopter to fly forwards, backwards, and sideways. In short, in any direction. Multicopters do not have swash plates. Their blades are fixed at a certain angle. They move due to the difference in the rotational speed of the rotors. That's how it happens. On the one side, the blades rotate faster and the aircraft flies sideways. If all the blades slow down, the aircraft starts landing, and so on and so forth. A swash plate is in fact a necessary measure. The configuration of multicopters is much more simple and efficient than that of helicopters. So why do piloted aircrafts not follow the same simple and effective pattern? The answer is simple. It has to do with the engines. Multicopters have a separate electrical motor for each rotor. That would be hugely expensive, nearly impossible, and highly unreliable when it comes to big helicopters. There are thousands of models of multicopters today. They can essentially be divided into 3 large groups: toys for beginners, medium-sized multicopters for advanced users, and large ones for professionals.